welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute since I did a long video. Well, y'all see that battery light? Get that glare out of there. Yes, the battery light, and they say it stopped charging sometime. It's been at several shops. I got a used, quote unquote, known good alternator on it. Y'all know the controller, the computer, the PCM has basic control over the alternator as far as regulation goes and all that. Now I have my jump box up right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna zoom in up there, but that's 13.4 right there volts that the charging system is putting out. So why is the battery light on? I don't know. That's what we're gonna find out. It's here from another shop, like I say. I think it's a new battery and a new alternator on it, guys. So we have some diagnosing to do. I really wanted this to be a short video, but this may turn out to be something complex. I don't know. Guys, we're dealing with a computer controlled car. So just about everything on here is computer controlled, which means you need a compatible scan tool that will help you diagnose this stuff. All right, so I got my scan tool in. Let's go take a look at something right now. Let's get it. Alright guys, let's go over to the car. Now this is a used alternator. My jump box says 13.4, so according to that it's charging. Something don't look right down here. It's not a new alternator again. This is likely a used. Let me get this out of my way. Alright. I don't know if I can get a better view of the alternator. Why am I looking at the alternator? Remember guys, the alternator is controlled by the PCM. So let's do this. That tape on this, that tape is bothering me. Something don't look right. Let me grab some pliers, guys. Hold tight. We're ready, guys. Yeah, it looked like somebody tried to repair. Can y'all see that? Look like somebody tried to repair. I got some long pliers. Let me see if I can peel back some of this tape. Woo! And it looks bare. I don't want to touch none, especially it's running, because you can arc some things. And it's kind of hot down there. Yeah, let me do this. Oh, that don't feel right. Oh no! Look at it. Holy shit! Look at that! Oh man, that's not even. Hold on, let me turn this off. I don't want that to drop and arc on that. Hold on, hold tight, guys. I think we found the problem. Sometime charging, yes. Guys, I need y'all to remember something. Connection plays a major role. Look at this. So it's making sense. Somebody tried to repair this and they did a crappy job. This wire harness that goes to the alternator is not even on properly. Look at that. I'm not even on there. Okay. That is not the right there. Somebody, all right, guys, and you know what's weird? If there's not a repair kit for this, they're gonna have to get a whole complete engine harness, guys. Holy crap. Yeah, you know, at certain facilities, guys, we cannot be jimmy rigging stuff. So I know y'all in the comment section going, you don't need a whole harness today, you can fix that. It depends on where you're at, guys. I want to see how this connector is actually made that go to the alternator. You know what? I think it's a wire harness over here on this old engine. Let's go over here and take a look at something. All right, guys. Here go engine. Same engine. Look, I hope this is the wire harness to go to. What I need to see is the alternator connections to this. Where is it at? I think it's it right here. Yes, this is the field terminal, and this is the. So this is how this is supposed to look, guys. Now, can you repair this? Like, if I cut this off, will I be able to properly splice that into the thing, to the existing wiring harness? Because this is how it's supposed to look. How did it break? I do not know. It's not my problem to find out how it break. I need to find out how to make good connection, because if it doesn't, we're gonna keep having that problem. All right, I don't need this, I need this. Now, notice, guys, this is part of the complete harness. So technically, you got to get, this is not hooked up. Yeah, let me go over here because this music is killing me. Yeah, this is not hooked up at all. So y'all see that? That's what this customer technically need, okay? If this was a brand new car on the warranty, I would have to get this whole complete freaking harness just because of this. I know y'all don't believe in this, y'all believe in fixing things, but it depends on where you're at. I keep saying that over and over again. All right, so in essence, I'm not gonna try to fix that because I don't think it would be I mean, this is a thick gauge wire, guys. How are you gonna connect this to that? There's a way, but connectors and all that, it just, am I allowed to do that at this facility? I don't know. So I'm gonna let my manager make the call and see if he because if I repair it, it'll be a whole lot cheaper than replacing the harness, right? Y'all understand what I'm coming from? I need y'all to understand me. Yes, it will be cheaper to try and fix that. Now, the problem or the question becomes, are we allowed to fix it because of liability and risk issues? Look at this. So you're telling me I'm gonna need this whole thing. Now, before I jump to conclusion, let me go and find out if there's a repair kit for the alternator heavy gauge wire. That's the whole problem right here, guys. That's poor connection at the alternator. So they put an alternator on it, a battery. I think they was headed toward the PCM, but doesn't matter. None of that matters if the connection is terrible like it is on that car. So let's go back over to the car. All right, so my mind is made up. There's nothing I can do here. Let me push that back down so I can at least drive it out and charge. I don't want to wear my jump box out. I found the problem, guys. Point right here. Yeah. Poor connection, guys. I don't need no PCM. I don't need no alternator or a battery. The battery's in the trunk, but the connection's got to be on point. All right, that's all I have, guys. I'll let y'all know what's going on, where we at, where we stand, and I keep y'all up to date. Probably via some shorts. All right, this will happen to be a full-blown video. All right, stay tuned.